This is day 7 out of 365. I will be reading Deuteronomy 11:22. Be careful to obey all these commands I am giving you. Show love to the Lord your God by walking in His ways and holding tightly to Him. So today's title is Walking in My Ways Brings Real Blessing. To know me, walk with me, and share life with me, this is the essence of real blessing. And the truth is, it is the hard things in your life that cause you to want to know me more intimately, walk with me more closely, and share life with me more fully. That is why in the losses of life, you can find yourself blessed beyond your imagination or expectation because you have found more of me in these hard places. When you look up from your hardship with a smile, you know you've moved on from just hearing my word to living it, putting it to the test. You're finding that giving is better than receiving. Neediness is better than self-sufficiency. Trust is better than worry. You've discovered that my word is true. My joy is your strength. My promises are your hope. My presence is your comfort. This is the life of blessing you always longed for but didn't expect to find in this way. So what a beautiful message, no? So God says that walking in His ways brings real blessing. And I can attest to this na totoo talaga, iba yung kaligayahan na you experience when you recognize God and His presence in your life. Like, yes, life may not be going the way that you imagined or the way you preferred, but there is this deeper kind of contentment and happiness that you could still grasp even in times of hardships. So, it is not wrong naman, no, to aim to have a better life, to have more in life. Like, hello, yes, money can buy happiness, but money in reality makes life a little less stressful din kaya. Somehow, if meron ka, it makes life easier pag di ka problemado, economically, financially, ganyan. Nagiging maliit na lang siya when you only see or recognize blessing if it is money and material things. Kasi blessing can be time Blessing can be time, peace, mga mahal mo sa buhay, ganyan. So, you may think that, oh, I don't have that much in financial terms. But God gave you the blessing of time. He still gave you the blessing of life. Like, at least buhay ka pa para magpatuloy na magtrabaho or mag-ipon to work hard for that, for something na gusto mo pang ma-achieve, di ba? And it could also be, blessing can also be peace of mind at mga mahal mo sa buhay. You may not be blessed on other things or in other form, but you're blessed you are blessed sa, in other way naman. So stop expecting blessings that are always only material things or financial thing lang, no? Because you may end up overlooking the gift of life, health, love, peace of mind, and most of all, the gift of salvation. Because in the end, the greatest blessing that we could ever have is having Jesus in our life, diba? And the thought that lahat naman talaga dito sa mundo is temporary lang. So be happy whatever we have right now while still working hard in achieving more goals. So yan yung medyo challenging ba, like you can still work hard in achieving what you want, but at the same time learn how to enjoy kung ano yung meron ngayon, dahil nga everything here is temporary. Anytime pwede tayong mawala, no? Dito and this life is pinahiram lang niya. But the thought that there is salvation and the next life is way more better than what we are having right now. So diyan pa lang it's I feel hopeful ba, ganyan. So, ano lang, enjoy lang what we have, what we can right now, but there's hope naman na in the next life, mas maganda din yung life in the next life, no, kaysa dito sa mundo ng mga tao. Masyado nang magulo dito sa mundo ng mga tao. So, baka in the next life, doon tayo iba na. But anyway, so yun nga, since everything here is just temporary, so enjoy, recognize the blessings that you have in life right now while trying to work hard in achieving more. But in the end, just know that the greatest blessing that we could ever have is having Jesus in our life. So yeah, maganda tong ngayon. Maganda tong passage today. So God says, walking in His ways bring real blessing. So that's it for now.